Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss under the number system addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of binary numbers. So let's see the addition first.
Dear students, we have taken a part 2 as we have discussed part A in the live session. Here, the second part I am showing you solution 1 at 1. So, 1 and 1 comes 10. So, we are going to put here over 0 and 1 is going to be forwarded upside. Now, 1, 0 is 1 and 1 and 0 is 1 only. So, here comes 1. 1 and 1 again 10. I am going to write down 0 over here and here 1. Then 1 and 1 10. And when comes 10, I show you in rough. When 1 added into 1 comes 10. And when again 1 is going to be added, so 1 and 0. On the last point you can see it will come 1 1. So, the last one we are going to carry here and then another one we are going to keep it upside. So, after this again we got 2 zeros. So, 0 0 is 0 only and plus 1 is 1. 1 and 0 1. 1 and 0 and 1 1. 0 0 1. So, this is your complete answer and the answer you got 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 0. This number you got in the addition of the number system. Now, the third part and the third part 1 1 0 1, then 1 0 0 1. When we are going to add this number 1 and 1, again it's going to be 0 here and 1 here, then 0 0 and 1 will come 1, 1 and 0, again 1, 1 and 1, of course 0 here, no number is there, so that is why I will write 1 over here. So, what is the exact answer? Answer is 1 0 1 1 0. Here you have seen that 4 digits are there, but this one is additionally because the addition of this is 10. So, 0 here, 1 here. Here your addition question is completed.
Let's find out the difference between these numbers. We are going to subtract this number from this. So 1 minus 0 comes 1. 0 cannot be 1 subtracted. So here also we have 0, but here we have 1. So we can borrow 1 from here to here. And this will bring 0, this will come 0, this come 1 and 0, 10, and here again we have 0, we want 1 from here till here. So what will left here? Let's see in the rough. When there is a number 1010, okay, I have told you in my previous class that 1 added 1 comes 10. So if 10 is subtracted 1, so what will come here? 1. Exactly. Remember this point. Now, when 1 comes from here to here, Here it's going to come 10. Okay, and here left 1. So 1, 10 minus 1 again will give 1, as I told you, and 1 is left here, so 1 subtracted 1 will give 0. 1 minus 1, and then 0 is here, so 0 minus 0 is 0 only. 0 minus 0 is 0 only. Again we got the same situation. 0 minus 1. Well, we'll borrow 1. Here will come 1, and this 0 brings together 10, and 10 minus 1 is 1. But here, after getting borrowed, we have 0. So 0 again minus 1, not possible. Again we are going to do same thing. We'll take borrow, and here will come 0, and here it is going to be 1. So 10 minus 1 is 1, and here it is 0. So 0 minus 0 is 0 only. This value you write or don't write doesn't mean anything. So the answer is 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. This will be your answer. Next is C part. Isn't it interesting, class? Class, if you do it with your whole heart and dedication, this becomes very easy. But if you will say or think regarding that this can't be done and this is difficult, definitely then it is difficult. But think that it is easy, so you will find it's easy. Here I am going to write another sum of C part 1, 1 and 1. And the second number is 0, 0, 1. So this number is going to be subtracted by the above number. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. Simple. The answer is 1, 1, 0. So here your subtraction part is also completed.